Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are good. So students, I'm your mathematics educator and from today onwards, I will be taking your mathematics classes. So today we have chapter number 3 which is Roman numbers. So in Roman numbers, what we have to do here, we have simple numbers like we have Hindu-Arabic numbers. Hindu-Arabic numbers is generally are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But when we are talking about the Roman numbers, we have some different symbols to use these numbers in the form of Roman numbers. So Roman numbers, this sign is symbolized 1, this V sign symbolized 5, this X sign symbolized 10, this L sign symbolized 50, this C sign symbolized 100, and this D sign symbolized 500, and M symbolized 1000. So what you have to do, these 7 symbols are using for Roman numbers to represent Hindu-Arabic numbers in the Roman form. Okay, so rules for writing Roman numbers. We have some rules by which different combinations of these symbols are made to write other numbers. So now we are talking about the rules and regulation, how we have to write the Roman numbers by using these 7 symbols. Okay, so the rule number 1 is whenever we have to write the numbers are formed by addition or subtraction from these 7 basic numbers. So if we want to write 2, so how we have to represent is this 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So for 1 we have the symbol of this I symbol we can say. So these two I symbols we have to write together, that is similar to the 2. So in that way we are representing Hindu Arabic number 2 in the Roman form. So I hope student this is clear to you. Then second we have V and I, which means 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So in this what we do, we are representing number 6, which is a Hindu Arabic number in the form of Roman numbers. Similarly, when we have double x and x, so it means we are adding 10 plus 10 which is equal to 20. So the main thing what you have to do is you have to see, okay, these are your 7 symbols, and by interchanging their position you can write your Roman numbers. Okay, next ab there is a thing what you have to see here. In this manner we are adding 5 plus 1, but in this we what we do, we are minus 5 minus 1. So how we consider it when we have to add, when we have to subtract? So for this, no numeral can come together more than 3 times. It is wrong to write this. Only your triple x can be write for 3 times. Okay, now we have only I, x and L can be used for addition, subtraction when the smaller symbol is placed to the right of the greater symbols. So this is the smaller number which is placed at the right. This is 1 according to Roman number, and this is 5 according to Roman number. So the smaller number is on the right hand side, and that means we have to plus it. But it's vice versa. Okay, smaller number is to left side of the greater number, it means we have to do subtraction. So I hope so बच्चों you have क्या आपको clear हुआ होगा कि what we have to do here. So basically आपके क्या rules है कि first of all आप कोई भी number repeat नहीं कर सकते हो, ठीक है, और आप सिर्फ ये numbers I, X, L can be used for the addition part. Next what you have to do, then if the numbers, the greater numbers, अगर हमारे जो numbers है उनके right hand side पर comparison to left hand side पर number बड़ा है, so what we have to do, we have to plus. But it's vice versa, it means we have to minus. Do one thing, this is advice from my side for you students. First of all, you have to learn these 7 symbols and their meaning. Okay, for example, 1 means 5, V means 5, X means 10, L means 50, C means 100. So you have to consider this. Then you have to acquire each and every rule step by step. Okay. Next we have 7. So do fifth is a greater number and right hand side is the smaller number. So it means we have to plus it. Again smaller number, so we have to add this. When the smaller symbol is placed on left of the greater symbol, subtraction take place. So now the smaller number is on the left hand side. So what we have to do here, we have to subtract from the bigger number. So 5 minus 1 is 4, 100 minus 10 is 90, 50 minus 10 because L is 50 and 10 is X is 10. So 50 minus 10 is 40. In that way, we have to represent all these numbers. Okay. When a Roman number, Roman numeral of smaller values put between two numerals greater value, it is subtracted from the numeral on its right. So in that way, what we do, we have two bigger numbers and one small number between these two bigger number. So in that case, what we have to do, first we have to minus which is the most left hand side to the smallest number. So what we do here, we are subtracting 5 minus 1, because this is 5 and the smaller number is left hand side, so we have to subtract it. Now in this case what we do, we have to repeat the same process we are repeating in the question number 1. Now 5 minus 1 is 50, 5 minus 1 is 4 and 50. So 50 plus 4 is 54. Okay. Now we have these numbers in written in the Roman form for 1 from 1 to 100. Okay. So what you have to do here, you have to see each and every number so you can able to answer your exercise. And what we do, we are solving an exercise by seeing these numbers together. Okay. So there is no Roman number 4. किसके लिए कोई भी रोमन नंबर नहीं है. फॉर 0 देर इज नो रोमन नंबर, कोई रिप्रेजेंटेशन ही नहीं है 0 के लिए. ठीक है. इन रोमन न्यूमरल सिस्टम डी मीन्स, डी का क्या मतलब था, डी मीन्स 500. ठीक है, डी मीन्स 500. Next we have in Roman number system dash 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 are used for addition and subtraction. I, X and I think C, right? I, X and L, and D we also see, D is 500. L, यहाँ पर हमारा L आएगा. There is some changes. Okay. Next we have in Roman numbers numeral system 15 can be written as. So this is we already discussed in our previous examples. So you have to do from that. Write whether the following statements are true or false. So Roman numeral system has 7 symbols for counting numbers. This is true. Okay. The Roman numeral for X is 10. This is false. Rest of the questions बच्चों आपको खुद करने हैं. ठीक है. Write the Roman numeral for each of the following. This is 17. So how we have to write it? You have to look at this figure, find out the 17. Okay, this is your 17. This is here. So you can write like that only. Okay. So what you do by repeating these table again and again, if you focus your concentration on it, so in उससे क्या होगा बच्चों, आपको ये सब कुछ याद होने लगेगा कि हाँ ये इसकी रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऐसी थी, इसकी रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऐसी थी. अगर आपको सारे रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस याद भी नहीं होते हैं तो यू सिंपली represent your number like this, and rest of the numbers you can also see the representation form from the above table, and then you write here. Write the Hindu Arabic numerals for the Roman numbers. So this is 10 and then 4, so this is 14, right? So you have to write rest of this like this. Cross out the wrongly written numerals. So you have to see this is the wrong way, this is right, this is I think right, so this is also wrong. So you have to see, look at, so you have to find out the incorrect one and then circle out. Write the following in Roman numbers. 17 we are looking, this is 18, this is 17. Okay. Next, filling the blanks. So which is greater, this or this? These are equal to each other. Okay. So this is 43, this is equal to each other. Which one? This is also equal to each other. Okay. You have to now arrange in increasing order. Means this is 20, this is 50, no, this is 100 and this is 50, this is 20 and this is 10, 10, so 28. So the bigger one is C, then L, then X, this, and then XX. So this is the increasing order. So first you have this. You already arranged, no, you already arranged. Then this, then L, and then C. Okay. Now arranging in descending order. So you have to repeat the vice versa here. Take the correct option. In Roman numbers, V represents 5. No, in Roman numerals can come together 1 time, 3 times, 2 times, 4 times. Roman numerals can come together 3 times but for specific numbers. When the number smaller symbol placed on the left of greater symbol, which process can occur? Subtraction. So in that way you have to answer this question, students. And अब आपका चैप्टर बच्चों यहीं पर खत्म होता है. आई होप सो दिस चैप्टर इज क्लियर टू यू एंड यू अंडरस्टूड ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. इफ यू हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ दैट डाउट, so what you have to do, you have to repeat the whole content one more time, then you are able to solve each and every question of this chapter. Okay, now I will be meet in your next class with a new chapter. Till that, bye bye, have a good day, keep learning.